guys, it's Bella from Bella's Toy Chest. As you know, they came out with a new movie, Birds of Prey, featuring Harley Quinn. So, I went ahead and got the mystery minis. Is my mic on? Oh, I turned it on. Okay. So, this is the case from GameStop. I love the back. The lips. And these are the figures that you could get. They have a flocked one, which is the hyena eating a bloody bone. Then there's the beaver, the Harley Quinn heartbreak, caution tape Harley Quinn, roller derby Harley Quinn. There's so many. So I got 12 of them, and I'm going to go ahead and open them and see what we got. They're really cute. I mean, I love the colors, and who doesn't love Harley Quinn? So, my knife is back. I made sure I didn't lose it this time. It'd be cool to see the flocked one. I wonder if it has hair on it. Like, not hair, but it's like fuzzy. So, what is the first one we get? Oh, as you could tell, I got a new background, guys. Look. It's like another part of my Star Wars room. One day I'm definitely going to have to get to the video of showing everybody what's in there. Oh, okay. Let's open it up. What are the odds? The first one I get is the flocked hyena, and it definitely has fur. Look at that. That's awesome. It's fuzzy. It's cute. Alright. Not bad. Let's see. And we got the caution tape Harley Quinn. I saw this jacket at Hot Topic. It was really cute. It was clear. There she is. Alright. Okay, so I decided to go get my turntable so you guys could see them. Again, like I was saying, the Harley Quinn jacket was at Hot Topic. It was really cute. I didn't get it just because. So, moving on. I throw stuff everywhere, actually. It's weird. And this is the Huntress from the Harley Quinn movie, Birds of Prey. Has anyone actually seen this movie? If so, let me know how it was. She has a bow. Super pretty. So far, we got the flocked one, the Huntress, and the caution tape Harley Quinn. The beaver looks super cute. I like to get the beaver. And then we have this one, which, what is her name? Oh, she is the Black Canary Booby Trap Battle Girl. Forgot. Dang. But this is her. Some of these are like easy to open. That's why I don't need my knife. Oh, these were $4.99 at GameStop, but they were 20% off of each. So, I got a pretty good deal. And we got the Huntress again. So far, I think the hyena is my favorite. On to the 6th one. I wonder if they've ever stuck 2 in here at one time. That'd be weird. And we have the roller derby Harley Quinn. This thing is heavy. Look at her. So cute. I don't think she's gonna stand on my... She stands! So, and she's gone. So we have 6 more left to see which we get, all of them or what we get. And we got Roman. He looks like he's up to something. Look at him. I don't like his smirk. He looks like he's up to something. And this is the Booby Trap Battle Harley Quinn. Look at her. She's so cute. And she has roller skates. They did such a good job. You see, they even got the rodden on the side. Her hammer. I don't think she's going to stay. I said that about the last one and she flew off. It's me. Making them all fall down. What's the point of a turntable, Bella, if you just keep knocking them all down? And I got another flocked hyena with bloody bone in its mouth. So this, look how cute this is. Look at them. So I got 2 of those. So after this one, I got 2 more boxes left. And I've knocked down everything, so go team. The only name I don't remember. Oh, it's okay though. And we got 2 more boxes left. I really want the beaver. It looks super cute. I want to name it Beeves. Funny story. One time, I thought I saw a beaver, but it was an otter. And I named it Beeves. Weird. Caution tape Harley Quinn. I should have bought that jacket when I seen it. But I'm, you know, that's not something I wear, so it's okay. I want the beaver. Give me the beaver. Where is the beaver? No beaver. Another caution tape Harley Quinn. We have 3 of those. We have the Huntress, Roman, Harley Quinn on roller skates, the Derby Girl. I mean, pretty much didn't get everything I wanted, but I got 2 flocked hyenas with a bloody bone in its mouth, which is pretty cute. I really want the beaver, so if somebody gets the beaver, please message me. I'll trade you anyone that you didn't get that I have. So this was the Birds of Prey Harley Quinn. It was fun. I mean, the box was only like $40 for the entire thing, so that's not bad. I have all this trash. Some fell. The roller derby one didn't want to stay, but that's that. Sometimes stuff just happens. Again, I'm Bella. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your bell notification. Bing! So you know when I post a video, so you guys can watch it. Again, I'm Bella. Thanks for watching. Bye!